Good afternoon. Garu. Sugar and so. Okay, Mam Galene 5, sugar 5, why? Now, Mamma pound 1 seat.
Are you 2 cities?
So, maybe Tony may do something. Mammy, if I say, Mammy, Milo 6, why? Mammy Milo 6. Chai! The mammy non daily 10 about. Chai! That's Mammy Christoph today. If I say, 0 the 10 and some years. Mammy bought it 10 pounds about. Now, if Mammy Mac 9. Chai! Meat Mac 9. Sardine 9. Chai! Calipo 9. Chai! Na mame store on so 9. Ai, where is the Anton store? Oh, there, okay. Oh, man, I did.
That's all very.
No. But me girl in the sugar never power man. Are they? Any other mentos animal and I said, Mepacho. Sati Roni Sayo, me go home, I'm going to. Jesus!
Which in a house shop, Banasa, I shop, I don't know about Popodana. She won't remember what it is here. He said, 2 citizens are going to me.
Mepacho, Mimusa Sanema with them, and I promise Musa Sanema Pacho. From Miguel, we should get a pound of Pacho.
If you stole him,
hey,
it's weird now.
What woman talk? Sister, what was I some semi and answered it? Miss Ronnie, make us say, never remember from getting a young chassume to my dear. Sicania Machi, by me, farmer. What can you make Jason of Yako? I am out from forward. No. My Chimeniso.